Main event, guys. Here we go. An inch of rain per hour. Here we go.
Or maybe earlier. I meant the date could be earlier.
Here we go, guys. Main event.
You're saying that the date could be come earlier? Okay.
You guys ready? Main event. It is pouring.
Maybe.
1
You're
inch.
saying that the date it could come like on second or the third? I don't want to. I don't want to. But you're saying that the game could come the day before or that day? Is that what happened? Alright, so that makes sense. You're saying that the game could come on Thursday or maybe tomorrow. Or maybe sometime today, Wednesday.
It probably ain't coming tomorrow. I know it's going to come Thursday.
Today is Wednesday.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's now the 1st?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it right? Is it right, Ron? The game could come today. Could come Thursday or Friday. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely not tomorrow.
Why?
Because it's still in transit.
Alright. So
Lightning struck something. You hear that? Light. Lightning struck something big. It shook the whole house, right? Dude, that was so vivid or whatever. There was an explosion.
there what?
Yeah. I got that on camera. People are shooting fireworks off. That's why there was an explosion. You hear that? People are shooting fireworks. I got that on camera. That was an explosion.
Of what?
I don't know, but the lightning struck something big. I don't know if it struck a house or what. But this is the main event, guys.
Why did the house shake? You felt that, right? Yeah. Was that from the thunder?
Not from the lightning, but the lightning can strike anything.
So so I should keep an eye on the tracking to see if it comes tomorrow or Friday. So to keep an eye on the tracking, see if it comes tomorrow or Friday. Alright, okay. That's crazy.
Well, I wanted a lightning strike that was memorable. That was the one because there was an explosion. I saw that. That's exactly why I said don't go outside. It is heavy rain.
The whole house shake.
Yeah,
How?
because there was an explosion. Y'all didn't see that explosion?
No.
That was right at the house next to us.
Where?
Literally right over there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was it Angie?
No,
Which one?
I'll tell you after. It's the house across from us.
The yellow?
The house next to that, over across from Ed's house.
Oh,
You know,
you okay, B? That whole house got shit.
mhm.
Yeah. Okay. To the explosion.
Yeah, I got that on camera.
We'll be up here. That was crazy.
Well, be ready for another one,
Another explosion?
possibly, if people keep shooting fireworks off.
Is that what it caused it?
Yeah. Christian, you have no data?
Nope.
Here we go.
Why?
The winds are picking up. No lightning?
It's about to be again.
Yeah,
We just had a big explosion.
from lightning, yeah. Another explosion.
That what?
Yeah. Our house shook again. It did. These lightning strikes are insanity.
I'm putting my phone on here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. That's exactly why I unplugged the microwave and the fan. Sadly, we got no radar to tell us how much lightning is near here. But this is definitely still the main event.
I know it's the main event.
Because the lightning is exploding things?
Oh yeah. I hate this weather.
Whoa! There's another explosion. These are CGs. These are nothing. These are CGs, bro. I got nothing to say except for why. This is what happens when you get a negative tilted trough. People are shooting off fireworks again. You hear that? Watch out for my phone.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Man, this is insane. Wow. That was pink. Wasn't that pink? Mm-hmm.
What the hell?
For what? I'm like, yeah. I am a funny person. I know.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you wearing your coat? Huh? It's cold in here. Yeah. Hello.
Whoa. That's gonna be a big one. How's it looking, Chris?
I have no signal up here.
Oh.
The signal went down.
Mm. This should be the main event then.
Mm-hmm. Sure to get down.
What the hell is this?
He's singing a song.
What is that? It's old.
It's called No Diggity. No Diggity by Black Bear. I like the wink and wink. Here, here's your coat, Fluffy.
Oh.
Are you an Eskimo?
No.
Look at my coat. I'm wearing my coat. Kind of. Show me all that strength.
Mm.
Oh shit!
It is the main event.
It is.
Yeah,
How'd you know?
that was extremely close.
speed.
Careful where you're walking.
Why?
My phone's there.
Oh, alright.
I'm seeing someone shooting fireworks on camera with the lightning. That was a bright lightning strike. Here comes the main event. Whoa! That was fork lightning. Somebody's shooting fireworks off again. You hear it? That's one thing you're not supposed to do. Shoot fireworks off. Right? Yeah. The sky is turning like orange. Yeah. That was a firework. What is she watching? Oh. Oh, power flash. You saw that? That was a power flash. That was like on the ground. It was like blue. Whoa! We had a CG just a minute ago.
Hey, B, I got 2 new games coming in the mail. Yeah, I got 2 new games coming in the mail.
Lightning almost hit a tree over there. We don't want lightning to hit a tree. Yep.
Hey, B,
I got 2 new games coming in the mail.
Who's that? Is that AJ?
Kingdom Hearts. Kingdom Hearts and Pokemon. They're both coming in the mail. It's fun.
Christian's ordering a remote control car. Bless you.
So, B, I got 2 new games coming in the mail. Yeah.
People are watching the ball drop in New York in this. Can you believe it? That's the worst idea. Oh, that was a purple lightning bolt. We're still waiting on a CG though. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, our last thunderstorm was October 7th, 2024, which is 85 days ago.
I'm watching you. Whoa.
Whoa!
What was that?
That was a big one. Yep, we're gonna have a loud one. Stop shooting fireworks off, people.
Oh my God.
What?
Wow.
Some of these are gonna be extremely bright. Ooh, that was nice. That was blue and orange.
What?
The lightning bolt.
There you go.
Were you watching a movie?
What
Oh
happened?
man. This is still not the main event.
No.
The main event is in Bridgeport. Chris?
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna be over here in like an hour. This is crazy. Wow. Yeah, there's never ever been a thunderstorm ever before on New Year's Eve. Never. There's been rain on New Year's Eve, but never a thunderstorm. Still going strong.
It's going to this water man.
Oh, the lightning.
No, the main event.
It's gonna hit Waterbury first.
Very soon.
All the lightning
The lightning,
is still
the
over
hail.
in Waterbury.
It's getting towards there.
Oh, so it's out of Bridgeport.
Yep.
Wow.
But no location.
No, that's good. Yeah, so New York City today was getting this, and they did say that there could be tornadoes. But if we get one, we know where to go. We don't want one, though. Christian wants one. I don't want one.
I don't.
Oh, you don't want one? No.
Ugh.
Christian has an appointment tomorrow, and I have no work. Yeah,
You have work today, right?
I had work today. Yeah. Yep.
You have a day?
Oh yeah, it was fun. Yeah. They let me get out of work early today because of this storm.
Really?
Yeah, they wanted me to work till 10, and I was like, no, no. Christian, is there still a lot of lightning?
Mm-hmm.
You saw that one? Yeah, we're hoping we get like a, like how the lightning strikes straight down. That's called a cloud to ground. That's what we want to see. Yeah. You missed what happened around 7:30. People were shooting fireworks off in this. Yeah. hmm Oh, our neighbor gave us something for you for later on tonight. It's a special Christmas item. Yeah. She gave one for all of us. Here comes the wind. Christian, is there a lot of lightning heading our way?
I'm not even looking at that right now.
Oh, you're looking at your package?
No, watching YouTube.
Oh.
Let me see how to do it.
Mm.
This weather. Here's the nighttime. Wee. How is the driving here?
Oh. Like, how many lightning bolts did you see on the way here? Just two? But you've seen more here now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What?
Whoa!
You know what?
You saw that one? I think we're going to have a loud thunderbolt in a minute. That was loud. The overnight staff just got here for Sheffield 1.
Which one, Erica?
No. Tiffany, I think.
I think so.
So, yeah, Christian has an appointment tomorrow. When he goes to his appointment, right? Natalia's going to let me know tomorrow if I can go tomorrow too, just to try to see if I can get an appointment. Like, because it's my only day off for a while. But, there's possibly no guarantee that I can go. If not, right, I'm going to stay home and wait for him to come back from the appointment.
Heavy.
Christian, what are you playing?
I'm watching one of my new games I'm getting.
Oh.
So I'll put them on pause.
Wow, that was a good one. You saw that?
Yeah. I missed it, but I didn't record it.
Are you recording?
I was just gonna try to get everyone.
Yeah.
How you doing? Good. What was that?
Lightning.
Holy shit.
You saw that?
Yeah. I'm staying behind you.
I got that on camera, I'm pretty sure.